Hello all, welcome back to Food Gazing. In this video, I am going to tell you the easiest way to make a delicious Mexican rice as we are going to assemble everything in just one pot. This recipe turns out so beautiful and flavorful that you have to try it once. So if you like my recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing food recipes. Okay, so let's get started with it. I have taken one bowl of basmati rice and soaked in water for just about 20 minutes. Try using it good quality of rice grains if possible because it gives best end results. Now heat the pan, add 2 spoons of oil or desi ghee and some garlics into it. And add nicely chopped onions into it. Stir it well for just about 1 to 2 minutes. Remember that we don't have to overcook it. Just cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after straining the water, just add rice into it. Now I am adding 2 cubes of Amul butter into it. It will really bring a flavorful taste into rice. Don't add any water at this time and stir it for more like 2 to 3 minutes. It will really bring a tasty flavor into it. Now add vegetables. You can add as much of veggies into it that you have and you really like. I am just adding peas, capsicum, carrots and some tomatoes. You can also add corns and mushrooms if you like. Now after 1 minute I am adding tomato puree into it. You can add ready-made puree or grind just 2 tomatoes in mixie with just 1 spoon of ketchup. Now mix everything really well and after that add pinch of Kashmiri powder, salt according to your taste, some dhania powder, some red mirch powder, and just mixed all together really well. Now after 1 minute of stirring, we will add water into it. Add 3 cups of water for just 1 cup of rice and cook it for like about 3 to 4 minutes. I have taken a 1 bowl of rice, that's why I am adding 3 cups of water. You can triple the amount of water according to your rice intake. Now we don't have to cover it with any lid and just cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes till the water remains very less. Now I am adding some chili flakes on the top of it. It will really bring the spicy flavor. You can add it or skip it also. Now add 1 spoon of lemon juice over it and when you see that the water is remaining very less on the top, add half cup of boiled kidney beans into it, also known as rajma. You can also add some spring onions or corns and without over mixing it, just cook it for about on a low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. You can see it's perfectly done and ready to be served hot. Now switch off the flame. So here it is. Now garnish it with some coriander leaves or you can grate some cheese over it too. I am just keeping it very simple. Now enjoy the look. Guys, I really hope that you will like this recipe. If you really do, just hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for some more amazing food recipe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, happy eating, bye.